If you've ever hung something on the wall and had it rip out or it just looks terrible, you're probably using the wrong tool. Most people, when they go to hang something, reach for whatever they have, a nail or a random screw, and they hope that it works. But the truth is, different weights require different tools. So instead of guessing, here's the right tool depending on what you're actually hanging. If you're hanging something light, like a small picture frame, you don't need to overthink it. A simple hook or a nail is going to do the job for you. I like to use an 1.5" finish nail for this. The mistake that most people make is overcomplicating it and trying to use an anchor when they don't need one. Once you get into the medium weight items like shelves or larger frames, you're going to need a drywall anchor. But not all anchors are the same. In fact, the cheap plastic anchors that probably came with whatever it is that you're trying to hang are the ones that are most likely to fail first. What you need is an actual solid drywall anchor that's going to expand when it gets into the wall and actually hold weight. Now for heavy items like TVs or shelves that are going to hold weight, you need to be going into a stud. This is where people mess up the most. They either miss the stud completely, or worse, they don't even try to find one. Here's an easy way to think of it. For light stuff, use a nail. Medium stuff, get a solid drywall anchor. And for the heavy stuff, go into a stud with a solid screw. So use the right tool to match the weight of what you're hanging, and you won't have stuff tearing out of your wall anymore. Thanks for watching. Check out my channel for more videos on the right tools and DIY content for dads. I'll see you next time.